Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to fix HDR and Dolby Vision settings on FuboTV in 3 simple steps. Welcome back to Sleek Guides. If your 4K stream is stuck in SDR or showing a black screen, you're not alone. Today, we're unlocking your hardware's full potential. First, verify your subscription. 4K and HDR are exclusively gated behind the Elite, Deluxe, or Ultimate plans. The standard Pro plan does not support these features. Next, check your hardware chain. Every component, your device, the HDMI cable, and your TV port must support HDCP 2.2 and HDMI 2.0 to trigger the 4K handshake. For Apple TV users, a common bug occurs with Match Dynamic Range. Go to Settings, Video and Audio and switch your format to 4K SDR with Match Content turned off. On Fire TV or Android TV, avoid Always HDR. Navigate to Display Settings and set Dynamic Range to Adaptive so the device only attempts HDR when FuboTV triggers it. Finally, ensure your TV port is ready. You must manually enable Enhanced Format or Ultra HD Deep Color in your TV's external input settings for the specific HDMI port you're using. Follow these steps and your FuboTV 4K streams will load perfectly every time. For more fast-paced tech guides, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto. Thanks for watching.